Hi everyone, welcome back. We were looking for a tablet holder for the MINI2 controller, and we have seen a lot of people just take regular tablet holders and stick them. Somebody's still got their motorcycle out. Anyways, they would just stick their tablet holder in here and hold it like that, but I don't know, I really didn't want to do anything like that. I looked around and I found this from DJI, and this is actually a Mavic Air 2 remote controller tablet holder. And because the MINI2 has the exact same controller, we're going to mount that on the MINI2 controller and hook up an iPad. So stick around. Okay, so it looks like in the box they do give you the tablet holder and a little bit of paperwork. I don't know if the paperwork is worth reading. Tablet holder should be pretty simple to put on a controller. Anyways, we'll put that aside. Now I'll just open up this. Okay, so we're not going to need this bag anymore, so I'm just going to rip that open. Okay. And you know, I didn't see anyone else online reviewing this or even purchasing this, so I don't know. I'm not sure why not, because this looks like it's pretty handy, and it's definitely made for this controller from DJI. So I wonder how this is going to mount on here. Let's take a look at this controller. Okay, it looks like we have an attachment here like this. Okay, so it looks like we're going to slide that up like that, and we are going to pull the antenna up. Okay, and then this here, we are going to slide this over to lock in place. Oh, perfect. Perfect. So that's how she goes. Okay. Now, so you do have your antenna is up here, and there's your tablet holder. Okay, as you can see, this is cool. All your buttons are visible here. You can stick your tablet in. Okay. This goes down. I guess it goes down quite a bit. So it looks like there's quite a bit of space in there. So let's stick the iPad in there and see how this is going to work. Okay. Okay, I think what we're going to do is, that's a great thing too, you can flip this around, it actually turns. So we're going to stick the iPad in there. That fits. Yeah, that fits nice. That fits nice in your hand. Okay, you will have to press it down by the looks of it to just to make sure that she's good and secure. But yeah, this is going to be cool. Flying the MINI2 with the iPad is quite a bit, so we're definitely going to need a longer cable. So, and we happen to purchase this off of Amazon. You can probably get these anywhere. It's a USB-C to iOS. So let's stick this in here. Fits perfect. Set this down. Okay. Let's get out some sticks.